All right, welcome back to another episode of African Hotel Rooms. This is going to be a real quick one. It's a pretty small room. It's got your basics in the bathroom. Don't miss a call. Telephone. Real cool mirror setup. This place is called the Skylight Hotel. Ethiopian Skylight Hotel. A few amenities. Toothbrush, razor. Nice. It's got the glass shower bath. Really cool. One cool thing about it is the depth of this bathtub. You also have your slippers and a lot of glass in here. You got your air conditioning. Serious door. Looks bulletproof. Very strange. Very well built door. You will not get a Damaris and Jenga.
Policy, yeah.
Yeah, I know it. That will not come with your room.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Well, fortunately for me. And get your king size bed. Tissues. Place to lounge. Got your office space. Got your glasses in case you get wine. You actually have wine glasses. So that's really cool. Got your tea. Got your refrigeration there. Not sure if that's champagne cooler like the last room or not. Big screen TV. And you also have a balcony. With plenty of space out here. Now you're looking at the city. This is the sunrise. This is the sunrise side of town. This is the airport, so you can see the planes taking off. And they have an enormous pool. With the pool bar. This has been another African hotel. Hope you enjoyed it.